Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can check how much time we have left until we run out of the battery on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. In order to check it, we need to go to the settings, then you want to scroll down and go to battery. And then over here we have the text how much time we have left if we don't really use the battery too much. So this is the estimate time until we run out of the battery. We can also see how much percentage we have left if we don't have it enabled in the top right corner. And we can also see a full charge, for how long the full charge will last, which is also estimate. Now, of course, if you use your smartphone a lot, then the time left will be definitely lower. And this one is pretty much, like I said, estimate if you don't really use too much your device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.